Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'll set you guys right here. If I can, maybe. There, I'll put you guys right here. We're getting ready to head out to Firebird. There's a drift and drag today, and I really want to test the car with the new shocks and the RKtunes tune on the car. So we got everything loaded up. You guys can see the roof of the car back behind us. We got the tool chest. Yeah, and we're gonna head out to Firebird. There's a drift clinic going on for the first 4 hours that I'm there. I'm just gonna be helping out with the instructors and just helping with like people's cars and everything. And then from 5 on is like a skid pad event, but it should kind of let me test out and tune the new rear shocks so it handles how it should. So let's get the hell out of here and go have a day at the racetrack. Alright, so we're at the track. I haven't filmed for the last like 4 hours because there was a drift clinic going on. It was a bunch of guys that had never driven before. But that went really well. The guy I was instructing did phenomenally. And now we just got done laying out the track for drift and drags. We had to rip some shitties in the yellow Audi. I might have gotten a slap on the wrist for that one, but
It's worth it.
worth it. 100% worth it. I gotta drive that some more tonight, for sure. But we're just waiting on tech now, a driver's meeting. Hopefully it stays on time. We'll see. But I'm stoked to try out the shocks and the shitties that I whipped in my car a couple times. It felt better, but we won't know until I actually huck it and see how it grips up. And then hopefully
this layout in the back section after the Monty, and then you're gonna feel the extra power.
Oh yeah, coming out of the Monty and settling, it's gonna be nice. And then the RK
Coming into the Monty, you're just gonna build up so much speed and then be able to carry it.
Oh yeah.
That might be third gear.
We'll see if I have the power. When we were trying that, we're testing the RKtunes out today, so we'll see if I have the low end to pull third, and then hope that I can get back down into 2, because that transmission really doesn't like me lately. It's not a happy trans.
Well.
I'll check back in once we're teched. All right, so tech meeting is over. I'm gonna get out and start driving. It's OSW like LZ Fest layout, so should be a pretty fun layout. But let's go see how the new tune and the new shocks make the car feel, and we'll kind of tune the suspension here and there throughout the night. Let's go, that feels so much better. With the new shocks, hell yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. sport racing, House of Euro, bit of both trailer, just so it's not super loud outside because we are right next to the track. But dude, the car finally feels like it's supposed to. Like the rear shocks, the rear suspension's really settling how it should. I am gonna go up a couple clicks as far as stiffness is concerned in the rear, just because it is like it's rolling a little bit more than I want to. And then the RKtunes tune opened it up, like it's the higher rev limit and like the little bit more power that it gave me is making the car drive how I've wanted it to drive this whole time. I'm super stoked. I don't know what to say. It feels good. Let's go back out and drive some more. Back, let her cool down a little bit. All right, so we've got a few more runs in. Dude, the car feels phenomenal. I'm really stoked on how it is. I mean, what's there more to say? Having the correct suspension to do the job definitely helps. But man, RKtunes, Jordan got the car feeling super, super good. I actually feel like I can use the power and I'm not having to clutch kick a lot, which is really nice because that's how I've been doing it up until this point, is just kicking the ever-living hell out of the clutch and just hoping it holds on. But yeah, super stoked. I'm gonna go out and just drive more, enjoy it, and then I gotta get out of here in about 2 hours to head back home. So I'm just gonna go out and get as many more laps as I can, and then we'll call it there, and I'll kind of touch back once I'm home. right, well, that's a wrap on driving. Got the car loaded up on the truck. I'm gonna go say my goodbyes. I'll check back in when I get home, get everything unloaded. But so I'm feeling awesome. The car did great. Drove really well. Super stoked. But I'll check back in with you guys here in a little bit. All right, well, back home from the event, got the car unloaded. I just gotta say, I am as happy as I could be with this event. No more hopping. So first point that, takeaway, the new shocks helped. We're not hopping around anymore, skipping and jumping across the track. I'm super stoked. Now it's just gonna be dialing in a little bit more on the dampening so it's not rolling as much. But I'm really, really excited that that's done and over with. We found the culprit and the car's handling as it should. Second of all, RKtunes, the tune on the car, awesome, dude. I know I probably only picked up like 10, 15 horsepower at most, but having an unlocked rev limiter definitely made the car more drivable. I wasn't clutch kicking or fighting it and fighting grip the whole time. The car just felt great. I didn't change anything as far as tire pressures or anything is concerned from slush, just so that way I knew what was actually making it, like having an effect on how the car was handling versus what wasn't. But overall, super stoked. It's another great event in the books, hanging out with good people and having good times. That being said, I'm exhausted. It's a great day, but it's time for me to go rest. So without further ado, if you guys liked today's content, hit like, comment down below what you're excited to see next, and subscribe. We got really, really exciting stuff coming up soon. I'm actually looking at it right here. But until I see you guys next time, everybody stay easy and peace.
Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all, bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, baby hustle, but then what the